Hello! Video about testing of Phenix M for the emergency opening and the engine starting of BMW X6 body F16 2017 year. This is a tested car, BMW X6 body F16 2017 year. This is the car emergency start system Phenix M. This is the Phenix M big unit. The second mode is enabled. The LED flashing of this unit shows that there is an exchange of information with the car key. The distance between the big unit and the smart key is approximately 6 meters. This is a smart key from the car. Let's go to the car. The distance to the car is about 50 meters. Check that the car doors are closed. Turn on the Phenix M small unit. Check the doors again. They are unlocked now. Enter the salon and press the start-stop button several times. The engine immediately started. Turn off the small unit. The engine continues to work. Again press the start-stop button and turn off the engine. A message about the lack of a key in the passenger compartment sounds. Test is completed. Thanks for watching.